You open the repository, and the same wall appears again. Spaghetti code? Technical debt? Loops nobody remembers why they exist? Where do you even start? There's a better way. GraphMyCode.com. Paste a GitHub URL or upload a zip of your project. In seconds, your code becomes a map. Structural view, your entire architecture, alive and navigable. Semantic view, your code grouped by meaning, not by folders. Technical debt view, the hotspots you should actually refactor. Dependency Heatmap, detect tightly coupled code in red, isolated code in blue. Code flow view, see how execution flows through a file. Export the flow for documentation. And with a single click, export project context with key nodes, folders, dependencies, and clusters. Your context goes from 100,000 tokens to 2 million. Your AI agent understands the project quickly without hallucinating. You can even ask your code questions directly using natural language. Fully open source, 100% free, 100% private. Visualize your code instantly, runs directly in your browser. Your code never leaves your machine. Try it at GraphMyCode.com.